Good morning students, how are you? I hope you're doing well and keeping yourself safe. Welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to start with our Unit 8 poem, that is What's in the Mailbox. It is a class 3rd poem. So let's start with the poem, students. Most always when the postman comes with the letters, 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. So students, in the first stanza, what does the child say? The child says that always the postman brings letter for his parents, like in parents like mother and his father, but never bring letter for him. As you know students, the postman always bring letter for us in the older time. Nowadays you know that we send message through our phone, by WhatsApp, through by simple message or by many other apps. So but in the older time we used to post letters to one another, like our friends, our relatives. So here also the postman only bring letter for his parents, like his mom and dad, but never for him. Now we'll go to the second stanza, students. I am going to write some letters, though that's what I am going to do, and then my friends will answer me and I'll get the letter too. So here the boy has decided to write letter to his friend. Why he is writing the letter? Because he is thinking that if I am going to write the letter, my friend could reply me through the letter only. Then the postman will bring letter for him also. So here the boy has decided to write letter to his friends. So this is about this poem, students. Now we'll go to the word meaning of this poem. What do you mean by letter? A printed communication. Always means hamesha, like at all times. Never means at no time. Though, but we'll go to the question answer. Who does the postman bring letter for? As I have told you before, students, he only bring letter for his parents. Parents are mother and his dad. Does the child ever get a letter? No, the child never got a single letter. So what did the child decided to do? What does the child decide to do? The child has decided to write letter write some letters to his friends. Then only he is going to get reply of that letters through the post. As you know students, we drop letters in the as you have seen here, we drop the letter in this letter box. See, this is our letter box. We usually drop letter in this, and then after dropping the letter, the postman gives letter to those persons which we have written the name, a particular name which we have written on the letter. So this is about this poem, students. Go through the poem thoroughly. Till then, take care and have a nice day, students. See you in the next video.